Fight. Go, Shadow. Get him. Patrick, you pussy. Go, Shadow. So you don't ever mess with a black man. He's gonna break your head collar. My horse is a beast. Look at that. Your horse is being a pussy. Go, Shadow. Look at that, Shadow. Yeah. Where is there's nobody down the yard when you need them? Go, Shadow. Get him. No, leave him. I wonder if he gets it off of him.